Today we're going to be changing the automatic transmission fluid in my 2005 Nissan Frontier. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about how to repair this Nissan Frontier. I got a ton of stuff in my video selection down below. So today we're going to be using the automatic transmission fluid from Valvoline. This is fully synthetic. This meets all the requirements of the Matic-J, which they had as the requirement for Nissan Frontier back in the day, but now they bumped it to Matic-S, and so this automatic transmission fluid is fully synthetic and it meets all the requirements necessary. So I went ahead and got the 1 gallon, which is basically 4 quarts, and so this should do a full drain and fill. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drain the entire system, fill it back up to the exact same quantity that we drained out. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take you down below the vehicle right now. We're going to be using a 19 millimeter with an extension on a 1/2 inch drive to go ahead and open this up. So it's the drive is only necessary because this brace right here impedes this ratchet from getting in there fully. So let's go ahead and break it loose. Okay. Get the drain pan under there. And here we go. Whoa. Let her drain. Okay, it's been draining for about 30 minutes, and so I'm going to go ahead and cap it off. There we go. And then I'm just going to tighten it so it is just mechanically tight. Not too hard. Alright, now let's go ahead and measure the contents that went into the pan, and then we'll go ahead and fill it up top. Alright, we went ahead and took the contents that went into that drain pan and we funneled it into there. And so satisfyingly, we filled up this all the way to the tippy top. So that's a 1 gallon container, so that's probably just a little bit over 1 gallon. So when we do the fill, the 1 gallon should be just perfect. So if you cap it off while it's still dripping, you'll probably get 1 gallon out of the automatic transmission and you'll be good to go. Alright, to go ahead and fill this, we're going to have to do it through the fill plug. So looking at the engine compartment here, you are going to go right there. So that requires a 10 millimeter socket. I'm going to use an extension on here to get at this. So I'm going to go ahead and take that sucker off right there, and then we'll go ahead and fill this guy up. If you don't have one already, get yourself a nice skinny funnel, and the tip will have to be less than 3/4 of an inch to fit in there, and then you're going to go ahead and fill this baby up with a gallon of sweet automatic transmission fluid. Folks, if you're not using synthetic, you're doing it wrong. Always use synthetic. Okay, after you fill her up, then you're going to go ahead and make sure you put on that wonderful little bolt, 10 millimeter bolt onto there. Make sure it goes back on.